Hello, over yonder. Hello, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. Good evening, Mr. Fanso. Good evening. So, what bring you
Mr.
here
Brown,
this evening now?
is you me come to, sir.
A church me I come from. But I couldn't go home without no coming to you. Because the two dog them where you have over your yard. Every night the two dog them come over my yard. Come a torment me. I can't sleep at night because of your two bulldog them where you have over your yard. Me say the two dog them who left Sheila around her back. And I am sick and tired of it. And it's not only that is the problem. After them finish carrying on, they mess up the place. Because me, Alfonso, know for Sheila mess different from for your dog Rufus and Scrappy. Me know the difference. And because me I come from church, you know, you feel to say, me no have no right for talk, you know, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, me know why you think say me no fit talk because me I come from church. Because uno people believe to say Christian no got no feelings. And because me I come from church now, me no fit got no feelings, me no fit say nothing. Me fi just a move to and fro and nothing me no fi say. But Mr. Brown I know so he walk. He no walk so at all. Yes, me have to talk about it. Because when I get up in the morning, it's me have all those big mess. Some of them big something like a me head here. Me have to take up out of me yard. And it is not right. But if I ever have to come over here again, come and talk to you about it, you know, Mr. Brown, you're not going to like it, you know. You're not going to like what will happen. Because me, Alfonso, can't take problem, you know, Mr. Brown. And when people talk all and all, you say is you are Christian and you are God church and you shouldn't be behaving like that. But is who know cause the problem, you know. Is who know cause the problem. Don't forget that Jesus wrought, you know. Yes. But Mas Fanso, you never even give me time for talk. Fanso, you not give me no time for talk. So that means to say you go to church with me in your heart, Mr. Fanso. Why you never come to me the day before or in the morning before you go to church? So that means you go to church with me in your heart, Mr. Fanso. If make you come from church and come on my yard, come and in an argument with me about dog. You better not stop God church, you know. Because you not go on with nothing. Because how you a live and how you a behave, you not show me say me must come to church. Because if I saw you a carry on, me would not want to come to church consider with your fans, so. Might as well you put on Bible and take up Bible every Sunday about you go to church. But all the same though, you know. Humble Sunday alone, you remember God. But me can tell you something, fancy, me remember him every day. Every day me have to remember him. Not because you see me now go to church, me remember him every single day. Because of him wake me up. You understand what I'm saying, fancy? Yes. Listen to me. I have no control over the dogs. No control over what the dog is doing. Hmm? And if the dog is messing up your yard, hmm? Eh? If the dog a mess up your yard, all and all you do is tell me if you come and take up the mess. Because since you know it's my dog and it's not your dog, because you must have a distinguished mark upon the mess. Hmm? So call me to take it up. Mhm. You see, I am here trying to live in peace, Mass Fanso. Okay. Because this time that we are living is very serious and I'm trying to live in peace
A
and
brute
walk away
force
from
ya try
problem.
use brown.
Alright? But through you are go to church, you feel say you're a bull buck and up a conqueror. Eh? Yes. You feel say you're a bull buck and up a conqueror. Eh? Yes, Mass fan, so and that you believe. And you believe to say when you're wrong, God is going to stand with you. But if you are wrong, God is not going to stand with you, Mass fan, so. Oh. So continue on the road that you are going. Hmm? And then when you fall now, you say, where was God? Hmm? But God is not into anything wrong. Oh. So make sure you are walking on the straight and narrow. You hear, Mr. Fanso? Oh. And don't put any blame on God. Okay.